This action can only be performed by the business owner. For optimal convenience, it is recommended to use 2 devices, although this can still be accomplished with a single device. To proceed, click on the menu bar located at the top left corner of your screen. Select the Settings tab followed by Store Information. Scroll down and click on the Delete All Sales Data button with the red icon next to it. Ensure you have read the instructions carefully before clicking the red button. Please note, this action cannot be undone. Confirm that all users have ended their shifts and that you fully understand the consequences of this action. Click on the red Request to Delete Sales Data button. An email will be sent to the address associated with your Curi Point of Sale account. Open the email and click on the Approve Delete button. This will make a red delete button visible on the point of sale screen. Click on it. Once the deletion is complete and your sales data has been successfully removed, click on the green Continue button to return to your store. Click on the arrow located at the top of the screen to exit back to the main screen. For more information on Curi Point of Sale, visit us at curi.lc or stay tuned for more instructional videos.